Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone 6 Plus with a cracked screen. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen, as well as start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 12 minutes and 47 seconds. And we have a brand new iPhone 6 Plus. And everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, carrier unlock, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on our website, Facebook, Instagram, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank everyone for watching our videos, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.